Okay, so these cost under 50 bucks, but a lot of people say they look like jewelry or sounds like high resolution monitor. Bold claim, right? But let's open them and see if they are just pretty or actually worth it. And that's how the box looks like from all the sides. It has some like details on the box, and I'm gonna just slide this box out. Actually, the first impression, neat presentation. And let's see what else we got in this tiny box. So this is the small box that includes a case. Let's open that up. And that's the charging cable, like cable and some tips. And like all standard, but wait till we just see the headphones itself. This is not your average headphones. Transparent shell, golden accent, and it looks like something you would wear, not just listen with. And if we talk about the cable, it feels soft, braided, and like detachable, which is huge because most budget earphones don't give you that, and already a good start. But we all know good looks don't matter if the sounds disappoint, right? So I'm gonna test these with everything: hip hop, acoustic, and postcard, and in here what I'm gonna found. After checking all the sounds and like bass, very tight and clean. It's not gonna shake your head off, but it's not muddy. And for the mids, the vocal are pop singers, podcast, this is where these shine. And like clear details, maybe like little sharp or some crack, but it brings out details you normally miss. So fit is super light. I forgot they were in after a while, and that's a rare for budget IEMs. So for me, the pros is like design is 10 by 10, mids are beautiful, and the cable that is upgradable. And the cons is like soundstage could be wider, bass heads might like find them a little polite. So like here is the final verdict. Are they the absolute best at this price? Not exactly. Are they unique and worth it? If you want something that both looks like sound and premium, both looks great, definitely. And I will be very honest with you, I didn't expect to like these as much as I do, and now I'm wondering what else Whizzer has hiding in their lineup. So anyways, these are the unboxing and reviews for the Whizzer earphones. If you enjoyed this style of raw reviews, you know what to do. Stick around for the next one. Like the video. See you. Bye bye.